Hi, I'm Dave Cheston, the author of Kindlepreneur.com, as well as the creator of the AMS Book Advertisement course. Amazon Marketing Services is a wonderful opportunity for authors to be able to get their books discovered. It allows you to be in control of when and where your book shows up on Amazon. No longer do you have to be a master marketer or a guru to be able to accomplish this. Instead, by learning AMS, you can now sell your book and spend less time worrying about marketing and more about writing. Whether your book is about to be launched or it was published a long time ago, you can use AMS to increase your book sales and even revive a dead book. And in this course, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. In this absolutely free course, we're going to not only cover how to set up your AMS campaigns, but dive deep into advanced topics and tactics to creating profitable AMS campaigns. Furthermore, I'll show you exactly how top authors monitor their campaigns and even grow them. Just click the button below and sign up. You'll have instant access to hours of videos, notes, quizzes, case studies, and more. So, sign up and start getting your book to show up wherever you want on Amazon in as little as 15 minutes. And with that, I'll see you inside the course.